Sorry, I just sneezed. But today we're gonna be seeing what I put in my friend's trading list. So let's begin. I put this popper thing. I put DIY globbles. I put this squishy thing. I put this popper. You could like twist it, pop it, you could like fold it. For travel size, you could just like fold it. And when you're there, you could unfold it and play with it normally. I put this rice stress ball. I put this spiky ball. This squishy. It's a dog. Popsicle squishy. We're not gonna eat it though because like it's not edible. I put this globe stress ball. I just dropped the stress ball, but it's fine. I put the crunch ball. I put this squishy. This wacky track that I made. It's like a boink more. It's more of a boink. I also put this thing that I made. I put another spiky ball. And I put an Orbeez stress ball. I put 20. Actually, I put only 5 mochis. I thought I put 20, but like I put only 5. Yeah. Okay. This strawberry ball. This popper. This squishy piece. This water bottle squishy. This monkey noodle. This Orbeez stress ball. This soccer ball spinner. This thing. I think I already said that, but like, if I didn't. Another squishy. A scratcher thing or a bead popper. A poppet. It's not that good, but like it's not the worst. I put this thing, like little fidget board. You could like tie the strings into like little things, or you can just like play them with them. And in the back, you just like pull on the string. It's really fun. There's a little bit more, but oh yeah, I put this squishy thing. I love it a lot, but I have like a bunch of it. I put like this remote thing, joystick thing above. I did, okay. I put a tangle, a homemade tangle, but it's tiny. But I think she will like it. I put this air stress ball. And I put some stress reliever feeler things, or you could just like do that with them and stuff, like. But it's like really big, so I'm gonna put a thank you note in it. And like, thanks for trading with me. I can also like make a marble and mesh with this thing, but like, sorry, 1 second, I'll go get scissors. Probably I'll make a marble and mesh right now. If I have some kind of marble thing. Maybe I could use like a little bead. Yeah, I'll just use a bead or something. So let's try this. We need to cut this mesh thing, because I have a lot of mesh right here, right on this table that you're looking at. This mesh is from the spiky balls. So like, I'm gonna like cut this part off and like cut. Ow, I just cut my finger almost. Just scared me. And we're gonna make it a skinny legend, as they say. Sorry, you can barely see my beautiful face. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, not that beautiful, but like, it's fine because you can't see my face. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get some tape. I could just go. Okay, I got the tape and I'm coming back right now. I'm back. So like, the tape. I got some tape, some duct tape, because we have like no more tape. Only this one. Okay, so we're gonna take a little piece of tape and we're gonna like tape it like on the little mesh. Why am I calling everything little? And we're gonna like fold the tape to the side. Kind of. Like that, kind of. Then we're gonna take another piece of tape, about that much. If there's extra, you could just like cut it off. But like, it's fine if there's extra, because like, we'll probably need it anyways. Or something. Yeah, we'll probably need it anyways for like the taping part, the top thing, yeah. Okay, we just need to take, oh my god. I'm so bad at taping stuff. Okay, there you go. My finger just took the tape off. Literally. What the heck? Okay. Finally got the tape to stick. Now we just need to cut that off and like stick it onto here somehow. Yep. Yep. I did it. Now we just need to get like a little bead or something. So all my beads are in this jar. So if I can get it open, that would be great. That is not very great that I just dropped some beads. Wait 1 second, guys, sorry. I need to get them because my dog was just in the room, but he just left, so like, okay, let's open one part of it, like that, and put a random bead color, like, I'm gonna do pink, whatever. I'm gonna put that in the mesh thing, and I'm gonna tape this part. Just like this. And there you have it, your own marble and mesh. Oh my god, that's actually, what? Okay, yeah, I'm making another one. Whoa, guys, that was actually really cool. Let's make another one with y'all's. If that's fine with you. And if it's not, just leave the video. What the heck? We're fine. Fine. We're fine. I'm totally okay. So I'm gonna cut a little piece like that, just like we did before. And take some tape. Okay, just get a little bit of tape like that. Okay, let's see. Am I actually gonna get the right amount this time? Okay, so close to the right amount. But that's fine, because we got some extra for the top. Okay, there you go. Now we're gonna tape this side to the other side. Not like that. Do not drop it. I'm a bad example. Do not drop it if you have pets around you, because they can eat the mesh. And that's not good. My dog heard, and he's coming right now. Go away, Jacob. Leave. Whatever. Sorry about that. I don't like when my dog is watching me. It's kind of creepy. He just stares into my soul like he's about to kill me. Or something. What? I'm filming a YouTube video right now. Oh my god. Some people say I'm a bad pet mom. But like, I don't think so. Comment down below if you think I'm a bad pet mom. Even though I don't think I am a bad one. Anyways, I talk way too much. Okay. So the last part is to glue, tape the top. You will take some tape. Not that much, but like, it's fine. You want to take the tape and tape the top. Okay, like that. Okay, I need to get a little more tape because mine kind of like did something crazy. That was weird. That looked like my tape was like possessed for a second. Possessed. Okay. And there you have it. Another marble mesh. One second. The other one kind of broke, but like that's fine. Because we can get it fixed just in no time. Okay. We can just like put that right there. Tape fixes everything, so like even marble meshes. Okay, I'll do a comparison of the marble meshes. So here is the store-bought one. It has like less marble, less space in the mesh. And it does not look anything alike. Well, kind of. But like, this looks more like a window or something, like an eye patch. Yeah, ow, that actually kind of hurt my eye. But like, that's fine. Okay, I actually kind of like this. I'm gonna put one of them into my friend's trading pile. I sound so weird right now. I'm so sorry about this video. I'm extremely sorry about this video. How the huh? Okay, that's kind of cool actually. I'm sorry about my hair. It's so weird. But like, okay, just to cover that up, I'm just gonna put my hoodie on. My hood. I like keeping it weird like that. Anyways, so next video we're probably gonna make we're gonna try to make as many marble meshes as I can. So let's post this one right now. So guys, if you liked today's video, which I do not think you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, like. I already said that. But subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. But this time we're putting a little twist on it. Click the thumbs up button, click the like button and the subscribe button with your pinky. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you look at the thumbs up button, pat on the back. And if you didn't, please make sure you do. But if you like this video, comment down below what you want to see. And stay awesome, stay sweet, and do not forget to be nice to each other. Bye guys!